Hello, Whalen Restoration.
Oh, thank goodness you're there. A pipe's burst and I have water everywhere.
Have you turned off the water, ma'am?
Yes, it's off, but it's already up to my ankles.
Don't worry, ma'am. We'll have a Whalen Restoration crew there in 60 minutes or less.
But it's in the middle of the night.
Yes, ma'am. We're centrally located right here on Cape Cod. And don't worry, we work with your adjuster and can bill your insurance company directly. Now, just sit tight while I dispatch a crew to your home.
Whalen Restoration Services. Help when you need us most.